What if I told you there's a simple way to scale your affiliate business using AI without showing your face or working 12-hour days? You can keep your face for your mom, and you can keep your sleep for yourself. Let's break down exactly how to do it step by step. AI-powered affiliate systems are the biggest trend of 2026. According to Statista, 80% of marketers now use AI for content or campaign optimization, and AI-driven campaigns see up to 30% higher ROI, according to HubSpot. That's right, AI is now doing everything except making your morning coffee. But give it a year. Today, I'll show you how to leverage these tools for automation, optimization, and scale, so you can work smarter, not harder. Work smart, not hard. Or if you're like me, work smart and still forget where you put your phone while you're on a phone call. Step 1. Scale content with AI. Choose your tools. Start with ChatGPT, we all know ChatGPT, for scripting, Midjourney for visuals, and Pictory or InVideo for video generation. These tools are affordable, easy to use, and designed for creators at any level. If you can order pizza online, you can use these tools. Create faceless content. Not comfortable on camera? No problem. Script product reviews or tutorials in ChatGPT, generate unique images in Midjourney, and assemble them into TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts using your video tool. Your face stays private, your affiliate links go public, and it's a win-win. Here's an example. Write a review script in ChatGPT, create product images in Midjourney, and use Pictory to turn them into a 60-second video. And if you mess up, just blame the AI. It can't defend itself yet. Step 2, optimize campaigns with machine learning. Pick an AI ad platform. Platforms like AdCreative.ai or RevealBot use machine learning for real-time bid adjustments, so you're not wasting ad spend. Think of it as a robot accountant who never sleeps and never judges your coffee budget. Set up predictive analytics. Use built-in analytics to spot trending offers or partners before they peak. This gives you the first mover advantage. It's like insider trading, but legal and with fewer orange jumpsuits. Monitor and adjust. Check dashboards daily. Let AI optimize your ad spend and placements, but always review the results to learn what's working. Remember, trust the robots, but verify. Skynet isn't running your ads yet. Step 3, automate funnels. Plug and play systems. Use System.io or Go High Level, aka High Level. That's actually their real name, High Level, not Go High Level, but to bundle your landing pages, product bundles, and email autoresponders. These tools make it easy to build a seamless funnel. If you can drag and drop, you can build a funnel. If you can't, drag your mouse to YouTube tutorials and learn a thing or three. Set up triggers. Automate email sequences for every new lead. Welcome emails, follow-ups, and bonus offers can all be set up in advance. Test your funnel. Run through your own funnel as a user. Make sure every step is seamless, from opt-in to the purchase. If you get lost in your own funnel, your leads definitely will. Don't be that guy. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's your shortcut to a scalable, sustainable affiliate business.